A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Babies, I hope that you enjoyed your weekend with your family. Now we are back with English grammar, and as you know that we are doing which chapter? Yes, tell me. Yes, we are doing chapter 3 of English grammar, and the name of chapter is the sentence. So babies, let's start today's session without wasting any time. So here we have question 5, which says rearrange these groups of words to make meaningful sentences. So what? Some group of words are given, we have to rearrange them and we have to make meaningful sentences. So let's start. Actually, number 1 is done for you. Then we have to rearrange rest ones, but let's understand the first one. And the number 1 says these group of words are given: out, book, turn, take, your, at, and, page, 10. And what you have to do? You have to make an imperative sentence. Now students, see, for being a sentence, what should be there? There must be group of words as well as it must give a complete sense. Then afterwards I told you some significance of sentence. Like a sentence always starts with capital letter. Yes. So have a look in this group of words. Which word it's starting with capital letter? Yes, it's take, that starting with capital letter. So students, let's arrange these words, and after arranging these words, we get take out your book and turn at page 10. Now let's move to the second one, and the words which are given: don't, carefully, you, why, listen. Now what you have to form? You have to make an interrogative sentence. So with the help of these words, the sentence which we get, that is, why don't you listen carefully? Now next is number 3, and number 3 is leave, dishes, I, table, the, don't, on, dirty. And you have to make a statement. So after arranging these words, we get I don't leave dirty dishes on the table. Now number 4, the words which are given: and, in, quietly, come, sit. And we have to make an imperative sentence. So after arranging these words, we get come in and sit quietly. Now next is number 5, often, to, movies, go, we, see, and we have to make statement. So the statement is we often go to see movies. Now next is number 6, you, sweets, did, buy, me, for, and we have to make an interrogative sentence. So the sentence is, did you buy sweets for me? Now next is number 7, fixing, electrician, wiring, the, faulty, is, and we have to make statement. So statement is the electrician is fixing faulty wiring. Now next is number 8, home, sunset, before, come, and we have to make an imperative sentence. So the sentence is come home before sunset. Now next is number 9, and that is want, do, what, you, and we have to make an interrogative sentence. And the sentence is what do you want? Now number 10, off, please, switch, fan, the, and we have to make imperative sentence. So the sentence is please switch off the fan. Now babies, that's all about question 5. Now let's move to the question 6. And question 6 says make meaningful sentences by using these groups of words. as you can see, there are 10 points and a group of word is given, and within the bracket it's given that which kind of sentence we have to form. So let's start with number 1, and number 1 is do not, and we have to make a sentence in which there is a command. So it is do not roam or don't roam here and there. You can form another sentence as well. Now number 2, who will, and we have to make question. So who will write a poem? Number 3, does not, and you have to form statement. Harsh does not tell a lie. Now next is number 4, in the class, and we have to make statement. So all are present in the class. Now number 5, in the class again, but this time you have to make question. So the question is, how many students are there in the class? Now number 6, how lucky, and you have to form exclamation sentence, and it is how lucky you are. Now we have number 7, and it is solve this, and it must give a command. So the sentence is solve this problem. Now number 8, can solve, and you have to form statement. So it can be everyone can solve this problem. Now number 9, what a, and you have to form or make exclamation sentence. Now what a lovely day, and it must end with exclamation mark. Then the last one, number 10, what do you, and you have to make a question. So the answer is, what do you like to eat? So babies, that's all about today's class, and we are done with this chapter. Now, as you know that you are informed about live classes. So tomorrow onwards we are going to have our live classes through Google Meet. So it is to inform you again that you have to download Google Meet app, which icon look like this. So download it from Play Store and set ID with your name, not with the name of your parents or something else. So it must have your name in that ID. Now I'm going to share the schedule for live classes. It's similar as the correction work. How you share your correction work with your subject teacher is similar to this. On Monday you will have maths class, on Tuesday you will have English, on Wednesday you will have EVS, on Thursday you will have Hindi, and on Friday you will have computer. And the timing is 9:10 to 9:40. And the link for meeting will be shared at 9:05. So babies, now as tomorrow is Tuesday, so you are going to have live class of English. So live class of English of 5th A and 5th C will be taken by Mrs. Kiran Samant, that is me. Then of 5th B, it will be taken by Mrs. Mamta Chand. Then English classes of 5th D will be taken by Miss Kanchan Chand. Now students, see you tomorrow in live class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Bye babies. Bye.